Isang magandang Miyerkules sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang November 3, 2021 edition ng The Stock Market today. And guess what? 52 days na lang, Pasko na. Kahapon po, nasabi ko pong welcome po sa Monday edition. Hindi pala Monday yun, Tuesday na pala. Holiday pala yung Monday. Nasanay lang po. Anyway po, ito po ang inyong lingkod, Benji Chodoro. Ako po isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market in 2007. And I do this report every day, which I started August of last year. I also report the latest news on your favorite and most active stocks. If you like the content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. If you have stocks in mind that you want reviewed, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize. Ang ating financial news ay tungkol sa MYMT, ang parent company ng GCASH. Kasama po ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa PSE ngayong araw, ika-3 ng Nobyembre 2021, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Don't go away. Okay, so let's start with our financial headlines as usual. And we'll start with the November 3 edition of the Daily Digest of BDO Securities. Macro news, factory activity hits 7th-month high in October. The second bullet is Okta says Metro Manila ready to ship to alert level 2. Yun, pababa na po yung ating incidence of COVID, ano? Pero yung ating efficacy, no? Dahil mukhang kailangan na po natin magpabakuna ng booster shot, ano? The vaccination rate in Metro Manila also further supports the relaxation, with more than 80% of the adults in the region having been fully vaccinated. T-bills rates up on inflation jitters. So taas sila ng inflation rate kasi po nagkakaroon po ng higher money supply, no? Pagka merong inflation, there is a lot of money in circulation, so they are raising the interest rates in order to reduce money supply. Ibig sabihin, people would go and buy treasury bills instead of spending it, no? Investing it in T-bills. And then in our sectoral news, Mint secures $300 million in funding. Ito po ang ating main news for today. Then AEV reports 9-month core net income of 19.5 billion, up 133% year-on-year. Wow, good news. Meron silang non-recurring income. AP core net income surges 89%. AP core profits jump 55% quarter-on-quarter. Okay, so that's also another good news for AB and AEV, no? AEV is, I think, the parent company. Now, JFC to increase commitment to fund Team Ho 1. JFC's wholly owned unit is increasing its commitment to Titan Dining LP, the private equity firm owning Team Ho 1. Nasa Hong Kong po ito. And I think meron pong tayong branch or merong branch ng Team Ho 1 dito. I saw one in Glorieta and I have been there quite a few times. Pero nung nasa Hong Kong po ako, ay pinipilahan po ito, yung Team Ho 1 na ito. In fact, doon sa Airport Express, yung one of the restaurants there is Team Ho 1. And maraming tao palagi. At masarap naman po yung pagkain nila. So when I was there, in fact, when we had a vacation there a few years ago, I brought my family to Team Ho 1 and nasaya naman sila. But the Team Ho 1 here is also as good as the Team Ho 1 there. Michelin star restaurant po yan. Kaya po siya maraming tao. Okay, so let's now go to our main news on Mint secures $300 million in funding. Globe Fintech Innovations Inc. or Mint, which is unlisted, the company behind the e-wallet app GCash, received $300 million in fresh capital from investors valuing the company at over $2 billion. The investment round was led by global investment giant Warburg Pincus, venture capital firm Insight Partners, and Bow Wave Capital, with participation from Itai Chidon and Amplo Ventures, as well as capital from Glow and AC. Glow is Globe Telecoms and AC is Ayala Corporation. We welcome Warburg Pincus, Insight Partners, and other investors into Mint. Their investment in Mint and GCash further validates the strides the company made in providing access to innovative financial services to more Filipinos and highlighting the Philippines to the global investor audience, said Ernest Koo, chairman of the board of Mint and president and chief executive officer of Globe Telecoms. So this is the commentary of BDO Securities. This round of funding for Mint would support the growth of its e-wallet platform GCash. We think Mint and GCash will eventually contribute to Glow's bottom line in the long run, especially as consumers shift to a more digital lifestyle. Pero po kung titingnan po natin yung fundamentals ni Glow, no? Fundamentals ni Glow kasi neutral po si BDO Securities dyan. Ang target price lang po niya is 2,000 pesos, ano? And nasa 3,134 na po, or 36% more than their target price. I guess they have to update this. Ngayon yung Ayala Corporation naman, ang target price niya is 980, nasa 860 yesterday, or a 14% upside. So yan po ang ating report sa ating news items or ating financial news. Tignan naman natin ang nangyari sa Philippine Stock Exchange and the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. The PSEI gained 78.71 points, 1.11% up, to end at 7184.72. So it is now the second consecutive day that it has gained, and if you'll take a look at our chart, it's having its support at the EMA 20. And EMA 50 at 70.15. Yung market summary naman, 104 companies advanced, 99 declined, while 46 remained unchanged. On the market status, we will be reviewing the following stocks which figured in our news item today. So we'll be taking a look at Glow, AP, AEV, JFC, BPI, ALLDY. Tingnan natin kung ano nangyari kay ALLDY, at Ayala Corporation. So we'll be reviewing 7 stocks, but pick lang tayo kay ALLDY dahil first day lang po ito. So let's now look at Glow. Okay, Glow had a 20 pesos upside today to end at 31.54 or 0.64%. Not much, but it's finding its support at EMA 50 at 2903. Yun po yung support level niya. Actually, it's more of a support level a little above that. No, so lagay po natin dito sa 29.58. So within that area po. In the meanwhile, ang kanyang resistance nandito po sa 3374.35. And approximately based on a short-term indicator, yung EMA 20, it is just moving sideways, although our medium and long-term indicator appears to be still moving upwards, and RSI is bullish at 55.17. Si AP naman tayo, and I think AP is recovering. Yes, it recovered. It is now at 34 pesos. And it's finding support at MA20. So MA20 po nasa 31.76. In the meantime, it is the 34 pesos is now at resistance level. And kung titingnan natin yung mga indicators, it's moving upwards. RSI is also bullish at 66.61. Then JFC. Si JFC naman ay nag-bounce. So, nagkaroon siya ng support dito. It bounced at support. Actually, MA20 is our support level at 225. And it bounced, and this is a reverse hammer. So, there is a long tail upwards that at one point during trading, it reached a high of 236, but it settled to 232. So, yung kanyang resistance ngayon ay nandito po sa level na ito ay nasa 243. More or less po. Kasi support and resistance are not exact prices or exact points, but these are areas. And then BPI naman po tayo, the top notcher for today. Yes. Naku, dumiretso na si BPI. And it's now at 91, gaining 3 pesos or 3.41%. So let's take a look at the one. First, it breached the resistance level, and the previous resistance level was here at 89. No, nasa 91 na po, no? 90 pesos po ang resistance level niya. Now it's at 91. Ngayon po, if BPI is strong and will continue to move upwards, let's take a look at the 1-week chart. Yung next resistance level po niya, nakikita ko po dito sa 94.60. And after that, the next one would be here at 99 or almost 100. Yan po si BPI at malakas po siya ngayon. Let's see nga kung merong volume. May volume ba? Yes, meron pong volume. And this is a breakout, actually. There is a first breakout here on October 27. It consolidated for 2 days. Then there is a surge or an engulfing green candlestick on November 2. At tumuloy na po siya on November 3 with a breakout. Next is ALLDY. Ito po yung listing date niya. Listing date niya po is today. So, tingnan po natin, mukhang walang trade, no? Puro posting ng sell. And 90 centavos po yung sell. Tingnan natin yung 15-minute chart. Walang trades. Lahat gusto magbenta. At ang pinakamalaking volume is on the 90-day sell. No, 1.48 billion shares. No, sorry. 1.48 billion shares, tama, worth 11.26 million or 11,000, I don't know how to read this, 11.26 million, tama nga ba yan? Or 11,260 shares ang gustong magbenta. Yan po. So wala pong nagbabay, puro po sell, lahat gusto magbenta. Okay, ano pang indikasyon niyan? Na lahat gusto kumita, I suppose. Okay, so dito naman po tayo sa Ayala Corporation. Si Ayala Corporation naman ay ended with a green candlestick at 870. Pero kung titingnan po natin, yung projection ni BDO Securities ang target price po niya is 980 or just about 10 pesos na lang, no? May hit na yung target price niya. Pero it keeps moving upwards and our indicators are moving up, no? Resistance is here at 878.12. Okay, yan po ang ating report sa stock market. November 3, 2021. Ito po si Benji Chodoro, nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay at hanggang sa muli. God bless. Stay safe. Bye for now.